Hello, it's me again, Brilliant Pongo. Today I'm going to talk about learning. Um, there's many ways that we learn things, and there's many things that we learn. Um, we learn right things, and we learn the wrong things. And sometimes, the wrong things are taught to us in very interesting and ways that we consider great teaching. So you can be taught a wrong thing in a great way, and you can be taught a right thing in a not so good way. But it's always good to learn things from a fresh perspective, because it's very difficult to unlearn a wrong thing which was taught in the right way. So I've gone round and round with words here, but basically what I'm saying is it's always good to learn things from a fresh perspective and learn things the right way. That's all I'm going to say today.